Mike and Bill Almighty 2-2.
You know what? I'm sick of all this talking, Billy. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of listening to these two.
It's radio like it's...
I know, but I'm sick of listening to these two. We're even still talking. Can't shut them up.
He wasn't talking yesterday.
Let's still go. Why don't we just shut them up right now, Billy?
Yeah.
You want to do
I'm
it?
tired of hearing them.
Okay. So today we have something for you called Vow of Silence.
Oh, God.
All right? So, as soon as we say this starts now, you are not allowed to speak. We're taking your cell phones away.
I left mine at home.
Good. You're not allowed to use
Email.
Facebook, email, or anything. You simply have to sit together and not say a word. So not a word. Not one word starting right now.
Silent room?
Leanne Guswell is here, and she has got a tarantula on her wrist right now as we speak. Billy, does this stuff freak you out at all?
Tarantulas, no snakes yet.
No, you missed the snake. I just had the snake wrapped around me.
Excellent. What?
Wingspan's fine. Bring it over to Monica. It's a creepy crawly for sure, and she is.
So-
When they get on her head, this is very difficult for her.
How often does it bite?
Once a day usually.
Once a day, am I?
Normally around.
Look at that.
Yeah,
I
see,
love
that
it.
gives me the chills.
Wait a minute, somebody must have some type of freaky spider. Mooseman, do you mind the spiders? No?
Are you scared to death? I would be.
They're not allowed to say anything today. This is a challenge today. It's not a vow of silence. They're not allowed to speak.
Oh, that's very rude.
This is supposed to. Maybe if I start copying them into the computer, it won't take up so much space.
Wait for me.
Yeah, she just came in through the door. A very large lizard type thing. And it's on the desk, and neither one of them have flinched. They're actually petting the animal right now.
Wow, the camera shot is so weird with your legs. It looks like you're shoving your ass into the camera.
No, thank you.
You blew it.
Oh! Oh! I did! Oh, I did!
It's over. Andrew is the winner.
Loose!
The Moose gets the challenge.
I can't believe I just did that.
Jim! Woo! I knew it. I knew it.
Monica.
I'm going to continue
yes.
shutting up right now.
Longest day of my life.
Mike and Bill Almighty 2-2.